Hey Rachel, I wanted to make you a quick video and show you how to shade this in. I think my prediction is that you probably have something going wrong with this part of it, if I had to predict. So step one is shade in one hole, and of course that represents the one hole part of it, and I'm thinking you probably have that part done correctly. Okay, and then step two is shade in your 5/10 on the second area model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5/10. All right, so now we need to show what 4/10. What is 4/10 of 1 5/10? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade 4/10 going vertically or side to side, and I have to go all the way across both area models. So that's 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, and 4/10. Okay, and then the overlapping part, which is here, is your product. So that would be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 4 times 15, so 2 times 15 is 30. 4 times 15 is 60. So that means altogether I have 60 hundredths shaded here. Now I'd be curious to know which part of this you had wrong. If I had to predict, I would say maybe you were only shading this part of your model going side to side and not remembering to continue that across. So let me know.